people will come around.
Even if we get framed for the Phantom Bandits crime spree?
That's awfully specific. Who's the Phantom... who?
You haven't heard? It's all over the news.
Okay, I was right. You know what? We'll start school in a year or two.
No, Dad! Just
What a strange place for a
You're not
party.
ready, and you're not coming back here till you...
Great.
You could do
Now
these
what
things,
am I
but you
gonna
just
I may have to put up a
can't,
fight.
Nemo.
Frightened elephant can be very dangerous.
I hate you. Oh my God!
My house,
He's
my house.
slipping on the knee!
Nemo!
Slow down!
No! Stop! The bus is in peril! I gotta find my son, Nemo!
Dad!
See, I suffer from short-term memory.
What the heck?
Wow! It's not
Colonel! This wall can't possibly... Gloria? Why are you guys so elderly?
Let us here! None of us! We're animals! Great! Am I dead?
He's just a boy!
Maybe he wouldn't have done it if I hadn't been so tough.
I am so proud of you!
There's the cat! Scary clown!
It's over. We were too late.
This entire jungle is a house of death! Oh, wait. There's a good spot.
I despise that.
Finding Nemo.
Well, that was fun.
This isn't so difficult.
Come on.
What? How are we supposed to get a fresh start when we get blamed for every bad thing that happened?
Marty, it was horrible.
How you been?
Now I got it.
All right, then.
Look, guys, you gonna help or not?
Yeah, sure. Of course we're gonna help you. We're one big family, right?
Weird, because it looks just like a volcano.
Thanks, kid. You're all right.
No, it's not. It's true. And we'd have a big screen TV right now if it weren't for stubborn, overgrown lizards like you.
Tell you this, if anyone knows what these pigs are up to, it's mighty
City guests of the Rusties, that's us, stay at Aunt Fanny's boarding house, where our motto is, beats rusting outside.
Oh, snap.
Can we go to the fun side now?
Hey, Tiny! Whoa! Woo! Yeah! Who's up for round 2?
Oh my God. Stuck here in Africa, and we were all super old and wrinkly and, well, I aged well, but the rest of you look terrible.
Yeah, they're my favorite snack. But they tend to linger.
Sorry I almost killed you.
Well, that's disappointing.
What's the holdup?
Oh!
No shark.
Whoa.
Can we have some?
I know you're cuddly, but can you float?
So, what happened last night?
You mean you didn't put on that Quack the Ripper act?
Me? What are you talking about?
But if you didn't, then who?
This guy is good. Oh, if I had bones, they'd be chillin'.